Okay, so prorations. Typically, what comes up in an escrow is clients ask, well, who's paying for what, and taxes and this and HOA fees or whatever. Talk to us a little bit about proration and what's typically prorated.
So property taxes are always prorated between the parties. Our tax year here for property taxes in California is fiscal. I don't know
Mhm.
if everybody's is universally, but ours is fiscal. It's a very confusing process because our tax year just started for the 2021 tax year. It just started July 1st and it ends June 30th of next year. So property taxes are prorated because our bills are sent out in late September, beginning of October. We have 11 million people in LA County, so there's an 8-month lag on average, and who knows with COVID if it's going to even be longer for bills to go out to the new assessed
Mm.
owner. So there's a
So
lot of
I'm going to
nuances
jump
there.
in and say, okay,
Okay.
so is there anything else that's typically prorated as well too?
Yeah,
And let's just go to the specifics on those
specifics.
things because I have a
Um,
couple more questions on it.
okay, cool. Condo dues, HOA fees are prorated, paid in advance, and also rent if we're in a residential income, or a rent back between a buyer and seller can often be prorated.
Absolutely. Okay. Talk to us about the difference between the words funding and recording, because oftentimes people don't understand that either.
Right. We also deal with a lot of out-of-state lenders. So in many, many areas, you can fund and close on the same day, but in California, it's gotten virtually impossible. Some counties, yes. LA County, very unwieldy, very large. Funding the loan happens on one day. So if it was July 1st, you would fund on the 1st,
So the
which the
money
loan is
comes into you,
closed.
it funds.
The money comes into the title company and it
Mm,
funds the loan for the buyer. And then on July 2nd, the escrow is technically closed where you could actually move in.
right. So then we get actually the title company confirms recording with the assessor's office. And then you have a closed property, correct?
Right. It's actually with the Hall of Records
Thank you.
down in Norwalk, yeah. And we have a few smattering of other offices, but the Hall of Records has also been closed to the public since March 13th.